Hello fam, in this video let's learn few more dining etiquette. Got to eat a fruit or a nut? Let's see how do we take out the seed. Spit it in the plate? No. After chewing your fruit or your nut, take your table napkin, discreetly take out the seed in it and then discard. When you dissolve salt or sugar into your food, don't stir it round ways. Instead, add your salt and sugar and stir it vertically. It dissolves faster. Let's see how we use our fork and knife to give out signs. Pause. I have taken a break. Next dish, please. I am done means finished. Easy, isn't that?